Hi and welcome to GLAZE's Haven, and today we are going to make a no yeast donuts. Yes, it is very easy and very convenient to make, and all the ingredients can be seen in your pantry. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us on Facebook. Hit the like and the bell button. So let's start. Add in the cup of flour and 1 1/2 tablespoon baking powder. The ingredients will be at the description down below, so make sure you give it a good stir for this dry ingredients. And let's add in our wet ingredients. Just 1/2 cup of milk. Any milk would do, evaporated, fresh milk, whatever milk you have in your pantry. Mix it well. I also would like to warn you that this will be very sticky. If in case the flour is not mixing well, add a little bit of milk and that would do. So this is already sticky, but it's gonna work out soon very well. So at this part, we're going to transfer this to a piping bag, but right now I do not have any piping bag, so I'm just using an ordinary plastic bag, so you can use that as well in case you don't have a piping bag. So let's transfer all the mixture into our bag. I put a rubber band at the end so the mixture will not go into another side, and then cut or snip this one part. Make sure you don't cut way too high, or otherwise it's gonna be bigger. So prepare your cooking oil. It should be ready before you're going to fry. So all you need to do is squeeze and cut, or squeeze and snip. So there you go. So make sure that all these mini donuts are fried evenly. We're looking for a golden brown, and if it's golden brown, let's remove excess oil. Let's put it in a paper towel or a parchment paper before we glaze it. And this one is already go. So let's remove it from the oil and put it on a paper towel. And we're going to move on applying the glaze. So for our first glaze, we are going to put melted butter and a sugar. You can use confectioner sugar, caster sugar, or ordinary sugar. I'm using white sugar for this recipe. This is what I have in my pantry, so whatever is available, we can use it. So just give it a good stir. Make sure that the butter and the sugar is mixed. So add in the donuts, mini donuts. There we go. So this will be our sugar glaze, our first glaze or flavor for our mini donuts. The aroma is very satisfying, the butter. And then let's move on to our second, a powdered milk. After dipping it on a sugar glaze, let's just put it in the powdered milk. Whatever powdered milk you have in your pantry, that would do. And the third one, you can use cocoa powder or Milo, so you can have a chocolate flavor. And again, after dipping it in a sugar glaze, just dip it in a Milo or cocoa powder. There you have it. We have the 3-ingredient and no yeast donut. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun and you're excited as me to try it out. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and do like us. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.